Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about a very interesting feature. Particularly it is a feature for developers. It is called OpenAlgo Playground, which has been recently launched in our latest OpenAlgo version. So it is a feature mostly to understand the OpenAlgo APIs much better. So let's go and dive into it. So you can reach OpenAlgo Playground by going into logging into OpenAlgo, right? From there, you go to the API key section. From here, you can get the access to OpenAlgo API Playground. So click on the Open Playground button. So you will be seeing this modern, cool UI. Of course, this OpenAlgo Playground feature is a community contribution from one of the OpenAlgo community member, Crypto Info. A big thank you to you. A big thanks to you, Crypto Info, right? So what you can do with this is, like, let's say I can go and access funds. You can list all the API endpoints. So all the API endpoint related to accounts, orders, right? You can access the data APIs and the utilities. So let's say I go to the account, I want to access the funds. By default, you don't need to enter any API key. You get the access to the you get the access to the API key over here. Just click on send. You'll get to see the response, how the response looks like, right? And you can also go to the holdings and check the holdings, or let's say you want to check some margin calculators. You can go and check the margin calculator for, and not just that, you can also get the order book. So let's say I want to get the order book, and let's say even if you want to place some orders, it's highly recommended that if you are testing it out, try to switch to analyzer mode. Don't try to send orders in an live mode, right? So if you're testing, it's fine, but ensure that if you are testing with minimal quantities, right? So here, let's say I'm going to go and test a basket order. I'm going to test in analyzer mode. So you can set up the values. You can also edit the values as well. Let's say you want to edit a value. I'm going to say, like, I want to purchase SBIN, right? So 10 shares is what I want to purchase, and I'm gonna click send. So you can instantly see that the order has been placed. You can see the complete request and response format, and if you want, you can also copy those response as well, right? So you can copy that response. You can also get the curl command of it. So you can copy the curl command. And so mostly curl is a command which most of the traders who are developers who love it, right? So mostly for developers, for testing purpose. So likewise, you can go back and test any of those API. You can check the latest options APIs, or even you can go and check the market depth. Let's say I want to go and check the market depth over here. And you can also get you can go and check the historical APIs, right? So historical APIs and historical intraday APIs. You can go and check varieties of different intervals. You can go and check how the request and response is coming up. So this could be useful probably for someone who is very new to development, or who want to understand the OpenAlgo API structure format. As you understand, OpenAlgo uses a common API structure across the brokers, almost 25 plus brokers in OpenAlgo. So we use a common API standard across all the brokers. So means you build a strategy for one broker, the strategy and the format, the code will be applicable across all the other brokers. Your code will not change, right? So you build once and you reuse the same code across different brokers. So I hope you get a better understanding about API Playground. Go and try it out, test it out, understand how the API works, how the request response works. So that give you a basic idea, and it could give you a lot of ideas about what you can build on top of OpenAlgo APIs, right? And see you in another session. Thank you. Bye-bye.